Welcome. If you're looking to update your group chat's name on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update to X, the process is straightforward and takes just a few moments. Let's walk through each step together so you can personalize your group chat and keep your conversations organized. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to X. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left-hand side and find the Messages tab. Click on Messages to access all your direct message conversations. Next, scroll through your chats or use the search bar to find the group whose name you want to change. Once you spot the group, click on it to open the conversation window. Now, at the top right corner of the chat, you'll see an info icon, usually represented by a small circle with an eye inside. Click on this icon to open the group's information page. Here, you'll find various settings and details about your group. Look for the Edit option, which allows you to make changes to the group. Click on Edit and you'll see the current group name displayed. Simply delete the old name and type in your new group name, something that better fits your chat's vibe or purpose. Once you're happy with the new name, don't forget to click Save. This will update the group name for everyone in the chat instantly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your group name on X using your PC. This small change can make your group chats feel more personal and easier to navigate, especially if you're part of multiple conversations. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for making the most of X's latest features. Enjoy your newly renamed group chat and happy chatting.